Yes, my people, as you can see, Mr. Indeman, welcome to Mr. Indeman show. My name is Courtney. So, as you can see, the update in our crib. So, right I saw the veranda section. You know what I say? In America, I want to call it the porch or the patio. And as you can see the bedroom. It's a pretty big house, you know. Yeah, it's a pretty big house. You know what I say? So, as you can see, you know what I say? Right in there, so when I look at the living room, dining room section there, so over here, so the bedroom them with the bathroom, you know me I say the laundry room and all of that stuff. You know me I say right there, so as you can see as me say at the veranda, the patio, whatever you want to call it. You know me I say. And my people, this never come easy. A whole heap of nice sleepless night me have to work, double shift, triple shift, all kind of shift. You see me I say? Big up yourself, Kim. When you can see Kim in the video. You know me I say? Big up yourself, Kim. So this is the front of the mansion. Yeah, the front of the mansion this. So as my people, we forgot how much square footage it is, but it's a pretty, large house. Yeah, and all of the people when I go back to Jamaica, make sure, as me said to you in all of my video, make sure you have a plan. Make sure you try to have some foundation for when I go back home to. You know what I say? I take my time little by little and make sure my foundation strong. So, as me can say, big up my cousin Kim. She read my ackee tree. Kim, come out of my ackee tree. Me send you figure video the house. Me never seen you figure read my ackee tree. But big up yourself, cousin. If you want to pick ackee. Some people, so this is the front of the house, but the guy who contractor, he made the front too small. So the right there, so me I go widen right here, so but I right there, so the front to the house. So the front door I go there, so you know what I say. And see my mother house over there, so there. So and my mother house over there, so you know what I say. So and this are the crib people, and the crib nice. The crib nice, so I can show something out of America. So at least I can say, well, you know what? I come America and I come achieve. You know what I say? So I feel good for myself, you know what I say? So I can leave a legacy for my pitney them and rare. You know what I say? But as you can see the crib very big. It's not done yet still, you know. But we are work on it. It's not done yet. Because trust me people, a whole heap of money for build house. I don't know if nobody not tell you, no. But for build house, buy land and build house, a whole heap of money when like all me now. Me not have nobody to help me. Me not borrow no money from no bank. Me not have no institution where me get no loan from. So all of this are raw cash out of my pocket. And it not easy, my people, because me have my life to live too. Me have rent to pay where me live. Me have to take care of myself, buy clothes and food. Me have to do all heap of things, pay my bills. So if I do all of that and build house, you know me I say, I think God, you know, God got me, not God got me. You know me I say, so this are the crib as you can see. You know me I say, as you can see. What I go on in the crib. So it's an update for what I go on. So look now and tell me what you think. You know me I say. So over this are the beach, because people may have beach view, may have water view. My house is water view. So I come out of my living room, I can look straight into the water. You see what I say? So give God thanks, God good all the time. So when I go home, I go finish it up. But this is what it is right now. So the last video, you see everybody that work. Now you see where I go on. Kim, you're in my video everywhere me look, me see your cuz. Everywhere me look, me see you. You're in my video, cuz. Yes, my people, but this is what it is. This is what hard work give your people. This is what hard work and dedication give you and consistency give your people. You know, it never easy. And it's still not easy. But this what hard work going. So the people who see people things and bad mind them, just know that people have to work hard for it. You know what I say? And people who they are Jamaica think that people come and foreign come pick up money, nothing no go. So people have to work hard for them things. So when I see people come back to Jamaica, no bad mind them, because for me do this, a whole heap of snow me have to walk in, a whole heap of snowstorm, a whole heap of cold night, a whole heap of hot days. You see what me I say? A whole heap of days me not feel good. But me still have to go and make it be a reality. I me never make nothing. So when you can see house now, it's a pretty big house, people. It's like 3,000 block it take me. And countless cement. I think a 2 or 3 ton of steel. You see what I say? Yeah, so these are the crib, people. You know. And thanks to God, He make everything possible. So you can see 2 windows right there. So this is going to be a room. Over the other side, as I say, a living room and the dining room. And this are the front of the house right here. So this are the front of the house. Me not going to tell you which parish it in. But just remember, say, and this we do. So give God thanks for America, because America make we build this. You know what I say? As I say, everything start from a dream. Because the dream say, me will come America and see that. My people look on the stone wall how me build. Oh my God, my people. Boy, me buy stone till me head hurt me. Me buy cement till me head hurt me. But the finished product is just so beautiful. And I'm glad I did it, my people. Right the house here, my mother house, me tell you, but you're going to move over in a new house when it done. You know, so me stay America and build this. Me stay America and build all of this. But me no want to go no further. The finishing touches, me want to be there to do the finishing touches for my house. So it kind of come to a standstill. But my people look on the beautiful stone wall. And you see the house on the hill? Rather than on the hillside, where nobody no get fit talk about. People, me are telling you, Me are telling you, if you don't have a 1 bedroom, be proud of yourself, because it's not easy for you to build a 1 bedroom.